Hey, look at that lot. Okay, this lot actually, these are from different buyers, different persons, and I'm going to say that Murdoch's going to Uvalde, Texas. Murdoch painted as a um, Black Prince, and also we have Henry as a Black 5. This one goes to Uvalde, Texas also. And this one, Timothy the Ghost Engine goes to California. And the last one, this one goes, the jet engine goes to Oregon. So I'm going to say thank you to those persons who are buying my models. Really appreciate at this time. I'm not uploading videos a lot, but I'm selling these models and just taking a little break. So let's begin with this model. So we have the jet engine. As you can see, there is a light that blinks, turns on and off when the model is running. So this I have another sets, they will be posted, or if you're watching my online store, I mean my videos, maybe they're gone or maybe not, but I still have some to restock, for the restock. So there is this one 2005 from Tomy. The light, actually there is a kind of switch on the axle. When you turn the axle, it touches the contact. Actually two little filaments, I'm gonna call it filaments, that touch like this and then activates the lights. That's the way it was designed. I like these designs better than the new Trackmaster Revolution. Those are really terrible designs, and that's why I stick to the old models. But look at this very nice condition model, the jet engine, and this one requires two AAA batteries. I forgot to mention that on other videos. And we have Timothy the Ghost Engine, Thomas as a Timothy the Ghost Engine with a silver metallic paint, and it does have lining, vinyl lining all the way around. And Thomas, all the red and yellow are vinyl, but the cab windows, these are not. This is a sticker or decal. So I put white running board. You call it running board or chassis. Anyways, here is the creepy face of Thomas. Some people ask me to make this model just with a regular Thomas face, but I think it will not fit. The Timothy the Ghost Engine always has these creepy eyes, black with the red pupils. Is it pupils? I don't know if I say it right, but anyways, with these creepy teeth. Okay, I'm gonna put it to run in one moment. And we have the Black 5 Henry. So Henry is based on a Black 5. Some people suggest me to do this long time ago. I did it a long time ago, of course, and this is the only one model I have available. I don't know if I'm gonna make another one anytime soon. This one says 1993, but in here it says 2002. Weird, huh? So I use Gordon's tender for this Henry, and I did all the lining, red lining, very nice. Look at the lining, very small details. It takes a little time, but it was worth it. So the next one is a Murdoch as a Black Prince. I don't know if you have seen a Murdoch with a black livery. The original model is a Black Prince engine, actual model that it's what this one is Hitoy Company 2006. So anyways, the coupler, the way I get it is, as you can see, there's a coupling that I think someone tried to repair. Now to paint this model, you don't have to just spray paint over it. You need to dismantle the entire body and paint all the details by piece. That's the way I recommend you. Otherwise, you're gonna have yellow, orange spots all around. Look at the little squares. I like this. Okay, I'm gonna put this on the track. Let's see how they run. And the first one is Murdoch as a Black Prince. Look at that. That's fast, really fast model. Nice. So I must say thank you to those people who are buying this model. Thank you so much for buying these models. I've been posting a lot of engines and cards on my online store. And the next one is Henry as a Black 5 in black livery. Very nice model. Also very fast engine. Look at that, really fast. I don't recall if I changed the motor, I replaced the motor or no. I have no clue, but it's fast. I don't remember. I've been fixing and repairing a lot of models that I lost track of these adjustments or modifications. And the next one is the creepy Timothy the Ghost engine. There comes Timothy the Ghost engine. I have others too. I gotta put this more for sale. I have some that I have not time to take the pictures and everything and posting, but I will do my best. I know a lot of people asking me for these models, but I'll try to do my best. So you know what? I'm going to put the jet engine behind Timothy, and there it goes. The jet engine is working. There's the light blinking. That's what I was talking about before. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna put to run the next models after or before. Before or after. I'm gonna wait a little bit because this one is a little faster. Also this one. Oh, there goes the rail. There they go. They are running now. Told you that was faster than Timothy the Ghost engine. Alright, thanks for watching.